right, YouTubes. We're gonna head out. It's 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, Independence Day for everybody. We're gonna head out to this restaurant. They got a prep table. I went by the other day on Friday. Went by Friday. They were too busy. I have to pull this unit out from the cook's line. It's a self-contained makeup table. I think it's a true R290. And so I told her, hey, you know, yesterday I was booked up solid on Saturday. So I told her, hey, I'll come by Sunday morning, which is today. We'll head over there right now and we'll take a look at this prep table. Here, we're gonna go in there and pull this. Yeah, I got some PVC pipe here for some ice maker installs I'm doing. Oh, messititis. Look at this. Yeah, I gotta find the knee pads. I got some inventory I'm restocking. There they are. A recycled water pump. Tippy's tipped over. Check. I love early mornings downtown. It's like Charlton Heston and the Omega Man. It's so quiet. Wait a minute. That don't look like Pepsi Cola to me. Wait a minute, what's that? White Claws. I'm surprised there's not a pair of skinny jeans right here next to the White Claws. So this is the cook's line. This is all remote. These are remote. This one's self-contained. I got a feeling it's never been serviced. So I gotta slide it off this lip here. It's an R290 unit, so everything is in the back of this unit. Let's zoom out. It's in the back of the unit, so I got to get behind there, and I'm thinking the compressor's probably dead. But I'm in a holding pattern. They're cleaning the floor right now. Floor cleanup going down. All right, let's see if I'm a monkey humping a football pulling this thing out. What's up, buddy? 4th of July. Are you going to blow some shit up? I'm working too. What about tonight? You got some fireworks? No. Me neither. I don't have shit. Let me see if I can get this.
I think put a little something.
Yeah, let's get a little milk crate or something. I can probably get my fat ass back there. Or diagnostics. That'll work. Perfect. That'll work. Just like that. All right, cool. All right, we got the little step under there. Got it cocked out enough so I can get my big ass back here. And yeah, it's never been serviced. 2.5 years. Let me get the drill. We'll take the cover off and let's take a look at everything. Tienes una escoba. I need to clean up back here. There she is. We're going to get this cover off. And I bet you $10. The condenser's probably plugged and the compressor's dead. This one, let's see. There it is. Okay. Woo. Moment of truth. Let's check that condenser. Oh, baby. Wonder if there's head pressure on these. We'll take a look here. Oh, there is a reset button that might have saved it. Right there. Might have saved the compressor. Let me clean this coil off. Boy, that would really make my day. There's a coil under there. Hotter than a popcorn fart. Get in here with two hands. Hold on. Oh, pluggo, buggo. So, as hot as the compressor was in the condenser, thinking maybe it's not dead and might have got lucky and it thermaled out. So I've taken a bunch of ice and put it on the top of the compressor to let it cool off. I'm gonna grab some nitrogen and stuff and blow this coil out real good. Try and get it cleaned up. See if it'll cool down and reset. That's where I'm at right now. I got my nitrogen. I do got some coil cleaner for after I blow it out because I do want to blow it out. Great time to blow out all the condensate drains too. Get those cleaned up. And then we'll carry on here. blown out with nitrogen. Now I got my coil cleaner going. We'll get all these drains blown out good, and then we'll see if the overload will reset. All right, so I think what I saw was the compressor's alive, condenser fan motor's dead. Watch this. There's a delay on the thermostat here. All right, there it goes. We got compressor, no condenser fan motor. Turn that off. I don't want that to get too hot. For you new guys, you're not going to throw your truck stock condenser fan motor on there. It's got to be a spark-proof motor. So I got to get a hold of True and get the OEM condenser fan motor for this unit by the model and serial number, and that's what I'm going to do. So compressor lives, condenser plugged, condenser fan motor bad. So I get to do this all over again because I don't have those motors. And it's you'll see like the wire connections, and it's an ECM motor, but it's also a spark-proof motor. That's how they do it. So probably take it out of there. Let's take it out of there and take a look. That'll give myself a head start for when I come back. It's going to be super easy. So it's 2 Phillips screws in the back there. Get your extension on your driver, and then it's these 3 down here at the bottom. Should get that whole bracket out. And then with the Wago style wire nut connectors, it's real easy. Hanging by a thread. That last screw. It's super easy. I got my Wago. And there it is, comes right out of there. It's pretty simple. Okay, I got to looking up the motor, the direct replacement for the True. On Amazon, it's $438. On eBay, I found it for $276.99. And it can range in price from like Zorro's like $500 all the way down. All right, lowest price for this motor I found was eBay. It's still about $300. That's the True part number 979685. Very, very expensive motor. Let's take it apart, see what's inside of it. All right, this is what you get when you take it apart. You got your regular motor case, your motor windings, bearing holder. It is a ball bearing motor, so it does have ball bearings. And you got your magnets on your stator, and then you have your circuit board, which you can see here burned up pretty damn good because it got hot. And that's all there is to it, you know. 300 bucker. And you do get a gasket on there, a little O-ring where it meets together. And then the strain relief connection right here for your motor wiring. That's it. All right, well, that's the R290 life now. Those condenser fan motors are super expensive. Probably need to tell our customers to make sure they're hiring us to clean the coils, because repairs on these units are going to get really, really expensive. Pretty crazy. I've never priced out one of those condenser fan motors before, so that was the first time for me, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. I hope you found the video entertaining and there is some knowledge in there that you could take away from it for your daily jobs. If you would so kindly, if you liked it, hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the thumbs down button. And by all means, leave me a comment below. Oh, Harley Davidson 4th of July. Look at that. Get some, buddy. I'm going to try and get on my rig later today. All right, you guys. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. All right, for all you faithful viewers that stayed till the very end, here's NorCal's tip of the day. This motor will work in those true units, and it is made by Morel Motors. It is spark proof. It's a direct replacement for a 5411 motor. It's ATX certified for applications where flammable refrigerants are used. Approved for commercial use, universal 5-hole mounting, and the good news is it's about 126 bucks with shipping. It's $115.11. And there it is. There is the answer to that true OEM motor right there. This motor will fit in there and work. NorCal's tip of the day.